thanks for joining my channel again here on ESB Jeep. What I'm going to do today is I've ordered in some fog lights from Auxbeam. They're going to replace the OEM ones that I've got. They're halogen. These are going to be LED, so much better. These are going to go on my new bumper, which I haven't shown you yet, but I did buy a new bumper. So these guys right here will go inside the new bumper once I install it. I just thought it'd be easier to buy everything so I can install it all in the bumper and then just take my old bumper off and throw it on and away we go. So I'll do a little quick unboxing here, and then what I'll do is I will do another install video on my new bumper once it warms up a bit. I'm in my garage and it's still freaking freezing. It's like February, middle of February, and it's freezing. I don't know why it's so cold this year, but it's pretty cold. So let's get on that. We'll open them up. Little unboxing here so you guys can see what the Auxbeam LED fog lights for the JL and JT look like. Thanks. Okay, so these are going to be the Auxbeam LED fog lights for my Rubicon JT, my Gladiator. It'll also work on a JL, I'm sure. There's the part number. I'll try and focus in on this. Yep, so that's that there. Let's open them up. Take a little look-see here and see what we got. Wow, those are pretty nice looking, man. Those are not bad at all. Not bad at all. Really big. Good size. I mean, stock size, but what I like is it comes with the daytime running light halo, and I believe you can actually make it two different colors. You can also have it like go orange for an indicator, which I don't think I'm gonna do because that looks kind of silly. But the halo, like daytime running light, might be cool because the Oracle headlights that I bought, which I will show you in another video when I put those on, those will match up nicely. Okay, so then inside is your wiring. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. So there's your wiring, and there's your. Looks like your daytime running lights, everything else, all the other wiring for that inside. Okay, that makes sense. Nice and easy. Just your power, your ground, and then like your daytime running lights inside there, and then your other stuff. And then here is the attachment that goes from the Auxbeam to your regular on your JL or JT. That's pretty simple. That's all it comes with. It's nothing crazy. But I mean, for the price, I mean, gosh, I was looking at getting like LED bulbs. Oh, it's sitting on top of this thing. I was looking at getting LED bulbs, and this just made way more sense because this is like a couple bucks more. That's just a couple bucks more, and you get like actual LEDs. You don't get bulbs, you get a whole LED replacement with halos. So I thought, you know what, screw it. So for a couple bucks more, I did that instead of bulbs. So these I will put on in a future video into my new bumper that I won't show you guys yet, but I will show you eventually. And we'll get it in and we'll let you see how it's done. Thanks so much for watching my little unboxing video. Have a great day.